So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to edit text font on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up on your device, simply just go ahead and type in whatever you want to type in. Now, if you were to go ahead and slide this bottom bar to the right, there actually isn't that many options for you guys. So for example, I will just type in the word font right there. It's very basic. If I were to go down and then go to the top right and press on the paintbrush icon, it'll then open up a bunch of different stuff right here. So under font, you can go ahead and change the font here. So if you wanted to go ahead and change it to, I don't know, this one right here, DIN alternate, and I were to go ahead and simply type right here, as you can tell, the font is different. So once again, go to the typing page, go to the top right, press on the paintbrush, go down to font, and then select whatever font you're looking to add here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to edit text font on Pages. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.